Okay, so the next coin for discussion is Luna. And in an article that I wrote yesterday, I drew this fib from the swing low at 52.38 to its then all-time high at 81.80, something. Since then, it's shifted its all-time high from here, 81.8 to roughly 83.87. Yeah, 83.82 or something. So that's where the all-time high has been shifted to. But that isn't something to worry about. And the only reason why it keeps going higher is because it collected liquidity resting above these equal highs formed here on 5th December and 8th December at roughly 79.3 to, I'm sorry, roughly at $76. That's where the double top was formed. And the reason why prices moved above this is not it's to collect liquidity resting above these highs here, and the liquidity resting above the 19 December high at 81.80. So now that it's collected, it's done collecting liquidity here. It's consolidating a bit here. And obviously, I'm not saying it has to come lower. It could continue going higher, which would, so using trend-based fib extension, the next all-time high could be somewhere around 97.68. This is not unlikely. It's possible, considering the development that are happening in the space for Luna. It's completely plausible. But the reason why I don't think it's going to happen is because of the overall bearishness of the market, and the news for Luna, right, which actually caused it to propel 60-70%. How much was this? 60% upswing. Kind of coincided well with the Bitcoin news that we're seeing today, the Bitcoin pump that we're seeing today. So all of this together is what constituted for the 60% upswing and a new all-time high for Luna. But now that it's collected liquidity resting above major swing highs here that I mentioned at above 76.3 and above 81.80, there is no reason for Luna to continue going higher. So with that assumption in mind, I'm expecting Luna to continue going lower. So the best place where I'm expecting Luna to at least see some sort of a bullish momentum again is it ranges between 59 to 64. So a bounce in that particular area, depending, is likely, and I'm expecting it to produce a lower high compared to this all-time high, which would indicate that the price wants to go lower. And the reason why it wants to go lower is because on December 4th and on December 13th, Luna price created an equal bottom. So the sell stop liquidity resting below these have been uncollected since then. And that's where the market makers are going to take Luna next. So with that in mind, I'm expecting a short bounce here after price enters this high probability reversal zone ranging from 59 to 64. And that's when I'm expecting a minor upswing followed by a correction to 52.24 and lower. Again, you see a similar setup happening here. A similar setup took place on 24th November and 26th November, where Luna price set up equal highs, equal lows at roughly 37.81. So there's a ton of liquidity resting below that, and the market makers could, in theory, push the price to 37.76, right? But this is a completely unlikely scenario because from the current position, from the current price, it's like a 54% downswing, which is a kind of a crash that could be reserved for when Bitcoin actually crashes below 40,000 and attempts to retest 30,000 psychological level. So that's it for Luna. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.